The White Mountains and surrounding area are composed of Proterozoic to Mesozoic sedimentary and volcanic rocks, deformed by southeast dipping, northwest verging folds and imbricate thrust faults. The core of the White Mountains is composed of the late Proterozoic and Cambrian Wickersham Grit Unit, overlain by the Ordovician Fossil Creek volcanics and by the Silurian Tolovana limestone.
In 2016, I ran the White Mountains 100-mile ultra race. I was totally fascinated by the rugged yet minimal and beautiful wilderness of that national recreation area, and really wanted to come back and photograph the unique landscapes. So when I saw the BLM posting for an open artist-in-residence opportunity in the White Mountains, I decided to put together an application right away. I spent an entire week in the White Mountains National Recreation Area and had the most amazing time. Collin, my local BLM guide, was incredibly patient and knowledgeable. I typically wanted to stop every 100 feet or so to take another photo, and that's pretty much what we did while we got around on our snow machines from cabin to cabin. For one night, we even set up our tents. The weather was perfect in every way, and we got a little bit of everything from snow to cloudless skies, which made for great sceneries for photography. The conditions were challenging for the most part. It was difficult to keep all the gear powered in the cold temperatures. I used a solar panel to recharge batteries. Flying the drone led to more challenges, but I got some really cool shots. Of course, I also crashed it into a tree at some point. Luckily, it was fine after I brushed off the snow. There were other mishaps too, but that was all part of the adventure.